So we went away for a couple weeks on vacation, came back, and there's quite a bit of weeds in the garden. So we need to get on that, but we also have some new friends. I think you can see the web there. Check her out. Got another one of these big old yellow garden spiders in here. These things are massive. I'll put it next to the cantaloupe so you can kind of get just a gist of how big that thing is. But the watermelons are all doing really well. They're still growing. I hammocked them up before we left on vacation. Check out that big boy. Alright, I found big garden spider number 3. Over here by our, I don't know what those are, squash? I think those are butternut squash. Some more watermelon. Yeah, big old grasshopper it caught. So I'm in a work meeting and Jordan came out freaking out because this was in the house. I don't know what kind of snake it is. It's not a copperhead. I'm gonna go let him go now. So this week we had a snake in the house.
Yes.
And a little skink.
Yes. It's okay.
It's okay. Let's go. You see how his back foot is kind of broken?
Yeah. I'm gonna touch it too. Oh, he's so comfortable. Himself.
It's cool. It almost looks like it almost looks like it's a snake.
What snake is that?
Yellow belly water snake. We're not going to water. This is a yellow belly.
What is that? A yellow-bellied snake?
No, a yellow-bellied water snake.
A yellow-bellied water snake? Oh. Dad's trying to pick it up. Oh.
Dad, we're not going to vomit.
Oh. Oh, no.
Come on closer. I think it's a yellow-bellied water snake.
Oh.
Another catfish. Oh, that's the biggest one.
Oh, he's feisty.
Nice one, Max. These catfish are starting to get big in the pond.
Mom, I caught a bigger catfish.
Get, buddy.
The catfish.
Little catfish.
Yeah, it's like the big one.
That's a decent size. I think that might be the biggest catfish we've caught out of our pond. What kind is it? Ooh, catfish.
It's a big one.
Good one.
I almost have a hot dog on
Good job. All right, brought out the lady some watermelon from the garden. See if they like it. It's their first time ever having it. They're all curious. There they go. Got another watermelon today that we got from our garden. Chickens have been enjoying them. Yeah, I know there's some eggs.
We have to leave them in then in case they hatch.
Yeah, we want to see if they're going to hatch. Nobody's on them right now though, right?
Baby.
Oh. What's up, ladies? Where's Rue at? There's Rue.
Hi, Rooster.
Big Bird?